Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. Today we are going to learn class 9 foundation subject mathematics, chapter linear equations and inequations. This is part 15. We will learn the examples of the linear equations in two variables, their word problems. In part 14 also we have solved some questions. Today also we will continue with the third question. The question is 9 is to 7 is the ratio of the incomes of Sunil and Anil, while 4 is to 3 is the ratio of their expenditure. If each of them saves rupees 200 per month, what are their monthly incomes? So let the income of Sunil and Anil be X and Y. Now given is that X by Y. X is to Y is equal to 9 is to 7, that is 9 by 7. From here, by cross multiplying 7x is equal to 9y. And 7x minus 9y is equal to 0. This would be first equation. And each of them saves rupees 200 per month. We know that the expenditure is equal to income minus saving. Expenditure is equal to income minus savings. So now let's move further. Given that the ratio of their expenditure is 4 is to 3, so x minus 200 upon y minus 200 is equal to 4 by 3. From here 3x minus 600 would be equal to 4y minus 800. By cross multiplying we found this. Now next step is that we'll take the second equation from here, that would be 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 200. Second equation. Now multiplying the equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 9, we will get 2x 28x minus 36y is equal to 0. 27x minus 36y is equal to 1800. Fourth equation. And subtracting the equation 4 from the equation 3, we get x is equal to 1800 and y is equal to 1400. So x, the income of Sunil is rupees 1800. The income of Anil is 1400 rupees. I hope you have understood this. The fourth question is 4 men and 4 boys can do a piece of work in 3 days, while 2 men and 5 boys can finish in 4 days. How long would it take one man alone to do it? Now the answer is that let one man can do it in X days and one boy can do it in Y days. X days by man and Y days by boy. Now we will get 4 by X plus 4 by y is equal to 1 by 3. The first equation, and second equation will become 2 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 1 by 4. Multiplying the equation 2 by 2, we get 4 by x plus 10 by y equal to 1 by 2. This would be the third equation. Now subtracting 1 from 3, we will get 6 by y equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 6. So y would be equal to 36. Substituting the value of y in first equation, we have 4 by 3, 4 by x because of x plus 4 by 36 is equal to 1 by 3. Now 4 by x will be equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9 equal to 2 by 9. So 2x would be equal to 36. And from here x would be equal to 18 days. Now it takes 18 days for one man to do it. We found. I hope you have understood this. Like this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. Please go and check through it. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. This part 15 was the last part of this chapter. At this moment, we will end this chapter, linear equations and inequations. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another part with the another chapters of mathematics, physics and chemistry. Thank you.